Open the machine control box. Connect the machine power supply, neutral line, live line, ground line. Find the location of the marking machine controller, plug in a loose cable, connect the other side of the computer converter, and plug in the dongle. Turn on the power switches successively. Find a folder named EasyCAD3 from the disk, open one by one to find the launcher, and send the program to the desktop. Open the software. Click Find Home to return the machine to its mechanical origin. Import vector graphics files that need to be marked. You can also use the software's built-in drawing tools to make images. If it is a larger image, you need to splice marking. First you need to put the bottom left corner of the entire production graphics on the center point of the processing area. Click Split Param to set the split size. Move the field lens to the appropriate position above the material, and set the current position to the machining origin coordinate. Click on red F1, and the Z-axis of the machine will automatically move so that the focus is controlled exactly at the height of the table surface. Then we need to click Focus Pause to modify the focus position according to the thickness of the material. After determining the focal length, click on